Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Today, guys, we will have some specific discussion on the gold market. If you read our weekly researches carefully, you probably know that in recent 2-3 weeks we called you to pay attention to geopolicy, because our opinion is that gold market right now strongly is driven by the geopolitical factors rather than purely economical ones. So but by the action on the gold market that we see right now, it is clear that most market participants do not understand yet what is really going on. It is clear from the reaction that has followed. So really mild reaction was on the Paris attack. So this reaction was finished in just within some hours, few hours. Gold returned back to the bearish action. As you can see, reaction on the destruction of the Russian plane yesterday was a bit stronger, but still it is also really short term. And we think that gradually, when the market will start to understand better what is really going on right now, the reaction on the gold market, bullish reaction, will become stronger and stronger and will last longer and longer. What's really right now is going on? Let's talk first on the technical picture. On the technical picture, you can see this was minor bounce up, and the balance hasn't changed since our yesterday discussion. So we said that bears have better chances to succeed because market has strong resistance at 1080 area, resistance cluster. 1080 area, so protect market from returning back inside of it. And now you can see it works. Here you see in reality why we have said this. As you can see, market trying to challenge this area first has failed. Now its second attempt is failing, and that's why we said that bears from the technical point of view has better chances to succeed. So on the daily chart, nothing has changed. This bearish pattern is still valid, although market hasn't reached the targeted, but the action doesn't erase the pattern itself. So this pattern is still valid and probably it will succeed. That's what we see on the daily chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we see that although market hasn't let price to reach the target of the grabber, simultaneously it has not created any setup for bullish deeper retracement. So we said that you could think about the taking long if market will break the 1085 area. So that is our demarcation line. It's our break-even point. Here the bears are still control the situation. Here bulls will start to control the situation. I mean only in the tactical point of view, in the short-term perspective. So if market will move high and break this area to the upside, we said, well, this could lead for the deeper retracement, probably to the 11 even area, 1110. So this probably deeper retracement to the upside. But take a look, market wasn't able to do this, even on the scenario, or even on an event of the destruction of the Russian plane. So this was upward reaction, and here is mostly is over. Market wasn't able even to move through the weekly pivot point. That makes interesting and this situation could be useful for those of you who are trying to take the short position and would like to trade the grabber pattern. Because right now, as you can see, market stands very close to our invalidation point. So it's much better than trying to take position here. That's why I think about the possible taking the short if you would like to trade grabber and you would like to make the bet on the possible deeper action, downward action. Now, guys, about all this stuff around the plane and around Turkey and so on. We will talk on it in the perspective of the gold market. I would say that I do not believe that Russia has no plan for such events. Everybody knows that the terrorist, that ISIS is sponsored by the Qatar and the Turkey. And even before the Syrian campaign, it's very hard to believe that Russia's military forces and defense forces was not ready for such scenarios as we have got yesterday. Stork is on also understandable position, because right now the plan that have started to put in life with this all mess in the Syria now stands under hazard of the destruction, because we see that Russia is standing closer to the France, and right now they speak on the possible coalition of the destruction of the ISIS. So this really hurts on the interest, on the economical interest on the Turkey. This provocation is very understandable from this point of view. But at the same time, it was a bit stupid to count that our government will follow this cheap trick with this provocation. I am sure that the response will follow, but it will follow not right now. I think this will happen closer to the new year. And the fact how market reacts on this event tells that market has very short mind, because what market is really expected? Market expected the very fast act of the blind revenge from the Russia. So the Russian, on the market and the understanding of this overall situation, market probably should start to bomb the Turkish air base or something of that sort. It's really very fast action should follow. As soon as it hasn't followed within the 2-3 days, or even within the one session, take a look what is going on. Market is returning back to the bearish action. So market right now do not understand what's really going on. So they think that as no response has followed within the hours, it means that nothing will follow. But this is a very big mistake. Response will follow, but I think that will follow. It will be complex. It will follow in the economical, in the political point, in the economical sphere, in the political sphere, maybe in the military sphere as well, in the Syria. But it will follow not right now. It will follow within the probably 2-3 weeks. And taking into consideration how market responds on this will be absolute surprise for the market. But meantime, market really could reach, for example, 1050, 10 even 1000 even targets within the current 2-3 weeks. This is possible. So that's why, guys, in the perspective of the reaching 1000 even 1050 area, we should treat it as the tactical, because currently, as you can see, market stands just $25 higher than this target stands. It's not really big distance for the gold market. And until the geopolitical situation becomes really hot, market just while it will stand on its own could reach this target. So that's been said, our position is that 1050, 100 even target could be reached, but this is not really the major target right now. What is major events right now is going on is the geopolitical situation, and we should be ready for unsurprising rallies on the gold market. So be extra careful with taking the shorts position. So especially when the market will hit the targets that we have specified in our weekly research, because our position is that gradually the situation will become more nervous, and gold probably stands very close to the point of the big reversal. So we will see what will really happen.